Right, so you've synced your files, you synced your storage from the organization, but where are the files? So let's just take a look. You want to type in documents. And the files are over here on the left. As you can see, there are two folders. The first one is going to be for my personal OneDrive, and underneath is going to be the files that I'm syncing at the moment for my organization. And it's syncing out everything, but as you can see, the icon here, some of these will only be available on the cloud. So these are cloud files only, they're not downloaded on your computer. And you can see by the status here. But if you like to download a file or have some certain files always be on your computer, you right click and go to always keep on this device. So if you click on that, you're gonna make a priority for this folder to always be on your computer. At the moment it's on a queue. As you can see here, I'm starting to a lot of things on a queue, but these files will always be available on your computer when that's finished. And while we're here, we might as well take a look at this error. So it's just a syncing issue. Sometimes you're gonna get that, and that is because this current file is open here. So as you can see, if you see a open file, it's just gonna give you like an error. So if I saved, close again, and later this error is gonna disappear. So that's where you find OneDrive on your computer.